Today I'm keeping it simple. One trade, one decision.
Gold looks strong. For me, it's a buy.
Makes sense.
I wouldn't buy this thing. It's a sell.
Okay.
I'd stay out. Market is uncertain.
Now nobody agrees.
Trust me, this thing is going higher.
This isn't helping.
Strong buy, strong sell.
I know less than I did this morning.
Buy or sell? Winston?
Fine. You decide.
The cat picked the winning trade. You've got to be kidding me.
This is how support works, Winston. Support. Buyers step in. Resistance. Sellers step in.
Break the level. Follow momentum.
Mark levels. Trade reactions.